Do you need a hat press machine that is advanced and of high quality that can handle medium to large scale orders as a business owner in the hat printing business? No more searching, these machines last long and are safe to use. You can easily use these heat press machines for hats, caps and other headwear. In this video we're going to be checking out the 5 best hat heat press machines. We made this list based on our personal opinion, 25 reviews considered and 21 products compared. If you want more products information, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At our list number 5. Scizor Digital Cap Press Machine. Are you a crafter or a hobbyist in need of an affordable heat press for caps? Look no further. The Scizor Hat Heat Press is a budget-friendly heat press machine like no other. It is a go-to tester heat press for new business ventures in the heat printing industry. Not to mention it is also one of the best hat press machines for crafters and hobbyists. The Scizor Cap Press is an economical heat press that provides even heat distribution thanks to its cast-in tubular heating element every 2 inches. It is easy to use and operate and can be used by beginners in the industry. It is also one of the heat press machines that are CE NRTL approved. Therefore, we highly recommend this heat press as an excellent go-to heat press machine for hats and headwear. The pros are: affordable heat press machine, easy to use and operate, produces high-quality heat printing results, opens wide for easy layout, and the cons are: unsuitable for large printing projects. At number 4, Geonight DK7 Cap Press. The Geonight Hat Press DK7 is yet another special heat press machine for home and commercial use. It is known for its high functionality and its ability to get heat printing jobs done in the most efficient manner. It has unique features that enable it to carry out all operations successfully. One of those features is the solid steel framework that can withstand pressure and last long after many operations. Another unique feature is its ability to record the number of pressing cycles done each time after use. As a hold-down device, this Geonight hat press allows for easy usage and easy operation. It is a great machine for printing the front face of any sized headwear, whether it be hats or caps, and very functional at all times. It comes with a bunch of warranties, which are a lifetime warranty on heat plan, a 5-year warranty on frame, a 3-year warranty on controller, and a 1-year warranty on parts. The pros are: 70 programmable presets, a solid high steel framework, hardened high-strength pivot points, and the cons are: not compact. Number 3. HIXB 250 Digital Hat Heat Press. Are you searching for a cap hat heat press machine that is worth your money? Look no further. The HIXB 250 Cap Press will offer you the best benefits any HIX heat press can give you for your new business venture. This heat press is highly efficient in transferring all types of logos or images to caps, hats and bandanas of different colors and shapes. It is one of the best hat heat press machines that allows you to perform several functions on your hats without needing any additional equipment. For a new business owner that might want to offer quality printing services at events or large occasions, this heat press machine has a sturdy design that is lightweight and portable to carry everywhere. It also comes with a close handle with full range pressure adjustment, which makes it very easy to use and operate, especially for beginners. The pros are: portable and lightweight, easy to open and close handle, optional interchangeable lower platens, durable, sturdy design. Number 2. Hotronix MaxX Digital Cap Heat Press. Made for those just starting a heat printing business, it comes at a reasonable price and is perfect for large to medium scale printing projects. A brilliant feature of this commercial heat press machine is its coated non-stick, optional interchangeable heat platen. These heat platens are helpful when printing headwear of different styles, shapes and sizes. It also has a smooth shock opening, which is very useful when operating the machine. This product can also serve the purpose of a travel heat press machine. It is very handy and portable for anyone looking to start out on decorating caps and hats at different locations. The pros are: lightweight and portable, smooth, even edge-to-edge heat and pressure, easy to read digital display, and the cons are: no alarm sound. Number 1. Hotronix Cap Heat Press Auto Open Machine. Hotronix Hat Heat Press is the best overall hat heat press for business owners who handle medium to large scale orders. This hold-down device is designed to secure the cap or hat and creates a smooth surface. One of the best features of this machine is that it locks down easily, thereby causing less fatigue on your wrists and shoulders. This is particularly helpful when you are making many hats and caps as it relieves stress. With an auto-open feature that prevents over-application when making hats and caps for customer orders, it is an excellent choice for many users. Helping with consistent printing as a result of its easy-to-read digital time, temperature and pressure display, it saves a lot of time. This heat press for shirts and hats also allows you to preset individual time settings for preheating and application with its twin timer. The pros are: creates a beautiful and smooth surface, locks down easily, convenient twin timer, saves space, and the cons are a little pricey. That's the wrap of best hat heat press machines. Check more user feedback by following description box link. If you found something is missing in this video, leave your comments. Our research team will work their best to give you a fair product review.